Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So what are the most picked agents in Radiant in Valorant? Valorant has 9 ranks. Among them, the first 8 ranks have 3 tiers you must achieve to advance to the next rank. The last rank, Radiant, only has 1 tier. There are 25 ranks in total in Valorant, excluding unranked. Most players start at Iron rank, although their performance during placement matches can put them in a higher ranking and tier. So, Radiant is the highest rank you can ever get in Valorant. You can achieve it by completing Immortal 1, Immortal 2 and Immortal 3, which is usually occurring after 200 RR in Immortal lobby. The number 1 spot goes to Jet. At number 2, Omen is the second most picked agent, followed by Cypher at number 3. After that, at number 4, there is Raze, and finally at the 5th spot, we have Sova. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video. To see more content like this, do subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon.